calm down. Please.
I should calm down? No, can you just hear yourself? I should calm down. For how long now? The last time I was here, you told me your madam has seen the budget. Why hasn't she gotten back to me yet? When are you coming to my house to take the measurements and start my work already?
But this time around you blocked.
What's going on?
Sir, my madam is not in the office today.
What happens to her phone? What happens to her phone?
Please, let me call her.
How did I get into this?
Please, you have to calm down. My madam is genuine. She has done a whole lot of reputable jobs with so many people in this city. At least someone recommended us to you. Please, calm down, sir.
You're still telling me to calm down. See, all I need from you is to get my work done. Get my work done and that's it!
The truth is, my madam is going through a whole lot of emotional stress this period. She's going to do your work. Trust me, you just need to exercise a little more patience. She won't eat your money.
That's her personal business. All I need from you is to get my work done.
Cheerful at all. Please, whatever it is, don't let it take the better part of you.
Why are you here? The new client is disturbing you, right?
Yes, ma'am. He left the office very angry this afternoon. I tried calming him down, but he wouldn't listen to me.
Fine then, just tell him to send you his account number for refund. I need some serenity, seriously.
Why, ma?
Because I am not in a good... I'm not in a frame of mind to do any work for anyone. Don't you understand it?
Ma, please. Your reputation is at stake here. Remember someone suggested us to him. If you fail to deliver, you're not only disappointing him, you're also disappointing the person who referred us to him. Please, whatever it is, don't let it affect your business. I beg you.
Sorry. I feel like...
I'm sorry about that.
I feel like my head is jamming.
I'm so sorry.
Like, I'm about losing it.
I'm sorry about that, ma.
You know what? Yes. Call him on the phone, tell him we're coming over to his house to take measurements.
Okay.
While I go professional.
Okay. Thank you very much, ma. Thank you.
We have to go. I mean, I need to get you home, okay?
I just want to drink away my sorrows.
Babe, come on. Drinking will not help your sorrow go away. Listen, let me just take you home.
No, come on. Just sit down first, okay? Okay. Banana.
It's okay. I'll fix it. All right? I'll fix it.
You want to pay for me?
I'll do just anything for you. It's nothing.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So let me go fix it, okay? Just please stop drinking, okay? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm very good, okay? You can actually go from here. I'll be fine.
No, go where? No, I want to spend the night here. I mean, I want to make sure you're really good.
If you insist on spending the night here, it's okay by me. But I assure you, I'm fine already.
I insist. I insist. Okay. I'll just
Cool.
Yes, fine.
Cool.
I'll just I don't know. I'll just no, don't worry.
I'll be fine.
No, I'll just go in, okay? It's fine. It's fine.
Oh. What?
Don't you feel anything for me? I mean, we used to be really close in the past. You should have some kind of a little feelings for me.
What is this? What is wrong with you? Eh? I told you that I'm emotionally wrecked. Someone I loved so much broke my heart. And all you could do is to try to arouse the sexual feelings in me. Why are you doing this? Eh? Who are you? What is it?
I'm sorry. I thought we still have that, I'm sorry. I won't do it.
Please.
I'm ready to go.
Thank you so much for yesterday.
You don't have to thank me. I mean, I had to do what I had to do. I mean, you're happy, so you're good. It's fine.
Yeah, and also thank you for your caring.
I always care. I care for you. All right, I'll see you around. Okay?
Have a nice day.
Bye. God. She almost caught me.
What has she come to do? I'm sure Mike still loves her. I am not going to relent till I take back what rightfully belongs to me. Idiot. Listen to me, babe. You have every right to be angry. You have every right to be mad at me, yes. But come on, I have the right to expressions, you know. Let me explain myself. The fact that you're not even giving me a listening ear is killing me. Please. Please.
I'm listening.
Baby, I was never a whore. Neither was I a prostitute. I was just a stripper. Come on, don't even give me that look. I know it's not something I should be proud of. I wish I can just take back the hands of time and wipe out that part of story from my life, but it wasn't intentional. I only got into that business because of peer pressure. Baby, I was making a whole lot of money because I was everyone's favorite.
Elizabeth, I'm so ashamed of you. I am so ashamed of you. Why are you bent on dragging the name of this family to the mud? Why?
Mama, I do not understand what you mean by me dragging the name of this family in the mud. What have I done? All I did was what every other person would do. Eh? People do what makes them happy and what gives them money. Here!
Elizabeth.
That's someone gege.
Elizabeth.
Mama?
By dressing like this, Elizabeth, it makes you happy. Elizabeth, how can a shower walk make you happy? Eh? How can going naked before men make you happy, Elizabeth?
Mama, I think it is high time you started differentiating stripping from a shower walk, Mama. A shower is a woman, a lunatic, a dirty thing that stands on the road for them to be priced. Mama, I do stripping. Mama, it is stripping. On a class, on integrity, on dignity. Mama, a stripper is someone that rolls on the pole. It will pay, it's a cheap. Mama, it just roll. You roll on it and roll yourself. Mama,
If I let me work, what is the difference?
Mama,
Ijaye, Ijachie.
Mama,
Ijaye, Ijachie.
Mama, I am not understanding you one bit. What is wrong with me being a stripper? Every other mother in this village would have been happy that I came back. Come with me, see, but no, you don't. You're not happy with me. Mama, what is wrong with me? Just opening and closing. Just what's wrong with it, Mama? What is wrong with it?
Nothing is wrong with.
Mama, see, I am going to leave this place and go back abroad, though. Because this is what every other person does in abroad, and they make money for it. Mama, if Jahe 10 hours, United got 10 hours. It is not easy to Jahe Uche. Understand it.
Elizabeth, Ijaye Ipuchie. Ijaye Ipuchie. That is what you do for a living. And you are proud of it.
Mama, I am proud of it.
Eh?
I am.
Elizabeth, this is not abroad. This is Africa. Africa culture frowns at it.
Hey.
A woman covers her body. Elizabeth.
Mama.
A woman's body is her dignity. Elizabeth, tell me, which African man would want to marry a girl that opens her body for any man that passes by?
Oh, God.
Tell me,
Jesus
Elizabeth.
wept.
If I get me, Elizabeth.
Oh, Mama. Mama. This is the problem I have with you timid women. This is African mentality. It is so timid, Mama. Which man will marry a woman? Mama, you that have been covering your body from your neck to your toe, what did your late husband leave for you, Mama? Mama, he only left for you trees, green leaves. Look at this always. Something that kills. Mama, how can a man that loves you leave a tree that has a pointed arrows by the side? Tell me, Mama. Tell me who does that. Mama, look at the house. Look at the kind of house you live in. A retarded zinc. Look at the door. Shredded. Useless. Mama, is this what you want for yourself? Mama, let me tell you something. Where we strip, there's what they call air condition. Maybe it is this leaves, this fresh air, this fresh air is making you think that you are living in a paradise. Mama, you're living in a junk. You are living in a junk, Mama. When we strip, there's what they call air condition. When you open it, the air condition blows the brownie and it walks away. You roll on it. What is all this, Seth? Mama, Mama, go and fix your life. Go and fix yourself. Fix your mentality. It is so awkward. It's so local.
Elizabeth.
Mama,
Mama,
please.
I am so ashamed of you, Elizabeth. It is better you go that abroad and stay there. Let me know I am not seeing you and I'm not hearing it.
Hey.
Yes, let me know I have lost you completely.
No problem, Mama.
So that I will count you out of my surviving children.
No problem, Mama.
It is better.
I will
because
go.
I don't want that your fleeting money. That your fleeting money to enter this house. I don't want to eat a penny from it. I don't need it.
Hey.
Fear!
Mama, after the fair, you come and pack it. Because you see me, I will keep stripping.
Have you seen what your
Strip,
Have you seen what your sister is doing?
I will keep stripping for Jesus. What is all this? What is wrong? You just stripping. It's just a stripping.
Sister, please.
Who the hell is beside me?
Sister Biko. Please, listen to what Mama is saying. If not for anything, do it for us, your younger siblings.
You want me to waste this thing all just like that?
See, everywhere we go, their elder sister is a club stripper. It has a way of bringing stigmatization to those families.
Sopo, bring it on. Bring it on. Continue.
Please, we are expecting to get married soon. But with this kind of stigma, who will marry us? Nobody. Please, sister.
God.
Please, just
Hey!
you are putting on.
Jesus
Your
wept.
breast everywhere is showing. Please.
Jesus wept. Hey! Who just puked? No, who just talked beside me? Hey! That you ordered that says the put under the clothes of Papa. Look at you. No, you you are mad. Look at you! Uncivilized, retarded millipede. Eh? A colonized idiot like you, an animal, unshaved idiot, a mammal, an ape like you. No, because you think we are sisters, Abi. We are not mates. No, we are not mates, Abi. Look at you. A hungry millipede that is trying to form into a shaking head lizard. You had the guts to come and talk to me because Mama talked to me. Even though that my boot was too expensive right now. Are you mad? Are you sick in the head? Unpolygraphed idiot. Look at him. Unpedicured Homo sapien. Where the hell did you come from? Where did you fall from?
I'm your sister.
How do you form?
I am your
Are you
sister.
mad?
I am your
Inapuala.
sister. I am your
Are you crazy? Are you stupid? Look at her. Imagine, hey! There's something I will not see in this house. Come, lick Kapol now. Come on. Mama will talk, you will talk. Look at them. This great chair has been in front of this house since I was born. I don't come to this chair is still here. I will go. Keep your stupid house to yourself. Let me go to abroad where people appreciate me. Hungry fools. Look at that bungalow with that sink. I can't tell. Please, which way again?
Finally, no be you be this. Shall you be stripper? You dey wine am for club, dey shake am. Now you don't call my domot. Ibeh.
Mama, brother, beg. Now entertain me, Daddy.
Entertainment where they make my dick, they stand up, they fall down. See, I no wan hurt you. Now collect, I just want collect. You no understand? Wetin you go do for me now? Just open and make I enter. Small. I no wan force you. You no understand? All this thing for me. Just open am for me. Make I just enter. I no wan force. Open am.
Here is your lab result.
Okay, doctor. I don't understand, doctor.
Well, you just have to thank God that you are alive. Okay? And also thank God that none of the boys is HIV positive. Just apart from the minor infections, which will be taken care of with the medication that will be administered to you, okay? You don't need to keep crying.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Yeah. I'm a doctor.
and attract patients. Like businessmen attract customers. Lawyers attract people who need legal help. So as you can see, the kind of job you do determines the kind of people you attract into your life. Okay? So have a nice day.
I regret living such life. That is not a part of my story that I should be proud of. But you know what they say, the deed has already been done. And if wishes were horses, then beggars will ride.
Why didn't you tell me this before now? Even when I was pointing out that this might be the reason men are running from you.
Baby, I am sorry. I've always wanted to tell you about it. But the second thought, I hid it away from you because I couldn't stand losing you. I couldn't stand you walking away from my life just like that. Baby, the truth is that you're the best thing that has ever happened to me. Ever. I'm sorry. Please.
Now let me ask you something. Will you advise your brother to marry a stripper? Whether former or current? Will you?
Please. At least I'll be able to go being a happy woman that I've explained and told you everything. Baby, I just wanted you to know that I no longer stay in that street. I've left that street long time ago. And I'm not planning on going back there. Please. Please.
My friendship, you will not believe what happened to me today. Do you know that my phone screen damaged? I am telling you. I said that I'm not going to repair the phone until I get into town. As I'm speaking to you, I'm just coming out from the phone repair shop. Yes. I saw way over 50 missed calls on my phone. Yes, now. I said, let me call back the people that have been calling my line. Eh? You don't mean it. Just hold on. No. Don't tell me this just on the phone. I am coming to your office right away. Let me get my hand back. What nonsense? What is all this? What is this?
I kept calling you. I called him as well. But you were not taking your calls. I needed someone to talk to, and at that point of my life, it felt like my whole world was really crumbling before me.
My love, I am so sorry. My phone screen got damaged. See, I just put another one. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. So tell me, how did it go?
It's not been easy. As a matter of fact, I just had it up to here and I had to go to his house unannounced. And I told him everything.
And what was his reaction?
He just sat there and he didn't say a word to me until I left.
Okay, so is he going to, do you think he will continue with the relationship, the marriage? What do you think?
I don't know. That is where I need your help. I don't know. But no matter what, I need my man back. I can't stand losing Mike, and you know it.
Oh, you will not lose him.
It's like being yourself.
You can never lose him. But I want to know, do you think he will come back? That's, you have to just think you were with him. What do you think?
I'm 80% optimistic that he's gonna come back.
We need 21 days fasting and prayers. We need to pray out. I mean, what is it? Do you know what it means for a man to know that his woman that is about to get married to was a stripper? I mean, it takes a miracle for him to marry you.
I think you're right. Do you know what? At this point, I need that miracle, baby girl. I beg.
That is why we are going on 21 days fasting and prayers.
How we should.
We need to kabash. In fact, from now, I've started fasting.
Girl,
what is all this?
Whatever you want to do, whatever project you want to do, just put her for my body water.
I go put her for your body water, my sister.
Beg.
I go do one. But then again, who is this Egede?
Oh, please, that is where I have a problem. I don't know where in the green world that name came out from. It sounds like a serpent's name, like a cobra's name, like a snake's name. It sounds evil. I don't know what this person wants to gain from destroying my relationship with Mike.
The devil is at work. We have to start kabashing. We need to call our pastor. What is all this? We need to start praying. He needs to give us some verses in the Bible for us to start praying. What is all this?
I don't know what is wrong with your sister and her husband. Eh? He promised that he's going to come this week to collect the marriage list. I didn't hear from him. I didn't see him. Eh? Even your sister Elizabeth is not helping matters. Eh? I've been calling her severally. To no avail. She's not picking any of my calls. Eh?
Mama, you mean she's not picking your calls?
I've been calling. She has refused to pick any of my calls.
What is going on? Eh? I suspended my own marriage because I heard he wants to do everything so fast. So what is going on now?
I don't understand. I don't understand that girl. In fact, try and call her and see if she will pick your own call. Call her.
Let me try.
Is it ringing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Mama, she's not picking on.
Allow it to finish ringing.
She's not picking.
I told you. Hey, that girl.
Are you sure she's not in any kind of trouble?
And how am I supposed to know that? Am I a witch?
I don't know. Okay, don't worry, Mama. Let me test that. Eh? Let me send her a text.
Send her a text message or voice note. Anyone.
Oh, Papa, me I won't cow. I've sent her a text.
Let's see if she will reply. That girl, in fact, Elizabeth, I don't understand that girl's life at all. Eh? I don't want to say about Nia.
Mama, stop saying that.
Keiko see him. How?
She's your daughter.
Will I do this to my mother?
Mama, people.
She came to the house immediately you left. He must have seen her driving in. Huh?
Yes, I saw someone driving in. Was she the one? So
yes, she's the one.
What did she come to do?
She came to explain.
Explain what exactly? That numerous men have seen her nakedness? No, what exactly did she come to say? Huh?
See, I am confused right now. I can't just think straight. I don't just want to make mistakes.
Listen, babe. There is nothing to think about. I mean, how would you want to present such a woman who has been a stripper all her life to your family, your mother especially? How do you want to even introduce her to your mother?
She was. No longer.
Once a soldier, always a soldier.
I love her so much. You know, we all have past.
Yeah.
So?
Yeah, we have our past. But some pasts are intolerable. Some are grievous. There are some pasts that are not worth ignoring. Open your eyes. Listen, I don't want you to feel like I don't want you to be with her or I'm saying all this to spoil her. No, far from it. Listen, yes. I still love you. I care about you. I miss us. But you don't need her. Have you looked at yourself? Idikamukenate. Ibuodogu. So, you need people like us. We go to one now. Full package. Ina piaka. Ina pita something. You get what I mean? You comprehend, huh? I know you understand. So, my love, you are a king. You're meant to eat foods for the kings and not for the pigs. Okay? I know you get it. I know you do.
Baby?
Yeah,
Where is your home? So I'll go and drop you off.
I thought you were taking me to your house.
Taking you to my house. You still want to sleep in my house again this night?
Yes, I just want to keep you company. Come on now. We dated in the past. I was your girlfriend, so it's not like it's a new thing. And I really want to spend some time with you.
You shouldn't be talking about this now. You know exactly what I'm passing through. You shouldn't be saying this.
Okay, fine. My house is just by that side. You just drop me off. It's okay.
He still loves her. And he might go back to her. No way, Ify, you cannot let that happen. You cannot let that happen! I am not giving up. Neither am I giving in. I will do whatever it takes to tear them apart. Mike is mine and mine alone.
What is all this now? Just let me be. Stop calling me. Stop calling me. You've been calling me since I'm not picking now. You stop calling. What is all this? Can you be asking me when I'm coming to the village when my relationship is not even stable? Stop calling me. Why did you just leave me alone, please?
Mama, she has switched off her phone.
But I thought you said you were going to send her a text message today.
Yes, Mama. I sent her a text in the afternoon. She replied that she's fine, that she will call me back later.
And now she wouldn't pick her calls. Instead, she switched her phone off.
Yes.
That has confirmed my fears. That has confirmed my fears.
What are you talking about?
That man must have dumped her. Mama. Mama, you the year now. How would you say such a thing? Tell me, if the man has not dumped her, why would she be behaving like this? Why? Maybe the man has found out the kind of job she was doing before. Maybe people must have told him how she used to be naked, dancing before men. Mama, you have a point here. Oh. Hey. She would have told him earlier. I told my daughter. I told my daughter to open up to this man. Let him not find it out from others. Let it be that she was the one that told him everything. But you know your sister now. She didn't listen to me. People are wicked. People cannot bear to see others happy. They must have told the man what she was doing. The shameful work she was doing before. Once she's tired, she will not calm down. She will not listen. Oh, look at. Look at her. If I am alone. Hey. Why was sister this thing? We were telling her then to stop, but she refused. Oh, she look said at a cake and dump. Once on a school. After training her in school, she came and be using the school I sent her to against me. Mama, not only you, more one. Hey.
Okay, so we chose this color for the dining. Okay. Yes, this for the parlor. Okay. And this one for the rooms. This. Oh, that's on the PS 102, okay? Yes. Oh, PS 103. Okay, you know what? Just send this to AGK and let him commence work immediately, okay? Okay. Okay. I need it to be done immediately. Okay.
I have never seen this kind of bestie. Jealousy, envy, all over her mind. Why do you allow devil to use you, baby? Why do we not distance to your bestie? Yeah. Stop forcing love. Love comes, love goes. And we know this has been her dream. And you know true love is her dream.
Even Jesus Christ, when he was about to be crucified, he was meant to carry his cross all alone. But a good man by name Simon of Syria came along and helped him in carrying the cross, which actually relieved him some kind of stress. It's your cross. But you know what? I am going to help you carry the cross. Because the love I have for you is beyond human expectation. I will still marry you. Yes, I will. And I am going to love you. And we will start all over again. I'll never stop loving you till the rest of the world. Stop.
My girl is the essence of my existence, yo.
Love is a beautiful thing. Love is the greatest gift of nature. Love is the strongest force on earth. I love you. And I will always love you.
That's the day you crossed my path. Today you came into my life. It was the day light came into my life. I love everything about you. Your gentle touch. Your kiss and your smiles. They appeal my soul and spirit. And I am not just going to give you my body. I have promised myself to spend the rest of my life with you. Together forever.
Together forever.
Hello? You always know the right time to call. Guess what? I have a whole lot of gist for you. I know you like Aproko too much. Meanwhile, I'm going to have lunch in my favorite restaurant. Will you be joining me there? Okay, I'll be waiting for you. See ya. Babe, you do not want to know.
What's up?
You know, I already made up my mind I was going to call him.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't even care if he comes back or not.
Of course, you shouldn't have called him anyways.
You know what? Boom! He walked into my office. I am ready to carry your cross with you. Gosh, I felt like... it was an amazing experience. Trust me. Yes, I am telling you. You know, we did it everywhere. In the bedroom, your girl was slimy, dripping. It was a fantasy. It was as if I was in the third heaven. It was as if I was in the wonderland. You know, I don't even know how to start explaining.
Girl, stop it!
Oh
Stop it already! Stop it!
I am telling you.
Stop!
And you know
but why
what?
didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? You would have. So if I didn't call you, you wouldn't have given me this gist.
Why are you talking like that? I called your number when I was leaving the house and it was switched off. That reminds me, our love is now stronger. I am telling you, I don't think at this point of our lives that
any whatever you call her or his name is gonna separate us.
Thank God. Girl, I am happy for you.
Aww.
Oh, I'm super happy for you.
Thank you.
You see, that fasting and prayers I told you about, I did 21 days. You know now, I did 21 days fasting.
2 times.
21 days
Baby
fasting.
girl.
I just broke my fast this morning because I knew he was going to come back.
You need to eat for Jesus.
I need to eat for my
She
days.
gave her place.
I know.
Babe, please, I just want to use the opportunity to say thank you so much for being such an amazing friend. You know, if you were to be fruit, to be orange, apple, pineapple, whatever, strawberry,
What a blessings for.
You're amazing.
I know.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You know, I think they should get it like double of the plate.
No. Yeah, I mean, let's just finish up this one.
Are you good?
Girl, I am so happy.
No,
for
I
you.
am in love.
I know.
I glow, right?
I
glow.
Good afternoon. Where is your madam?
My madam, she just left now. I'm surprised you don't meet her on the way.
Okay. Babe, what's up? You there your shop now? Oh, no. It's okay. Just take your time. There will always be another time. Yes. Alright. Okay.
It's like she's far.
Yes, she's not close, but you know that's an issue she had the last time with the local government people. She wants to sort it out, so we'll come back some other time.
Okay.
Alright.
Some other time. Okay.
Bye. Bye.
I hope you don't do that on inside. Yeah. I trust you. That's why I employed you. That girl, the agent of darkness. Wish! Nonsense! Every time she'll be monitoring me. What is it?
I thought she's your friend.
You thought she's my friend? See your teeth like a caterpillar. No go mind the business that pays you. Wish!